In today's video, I want to guide you on how to check if a laptop is refurbished or original. It is very important to know this before you invest your money on any laptop, because if you go and buy a refurbished laptop, you're not going to enjoy it and it's going to cause you problem. So it is always advisable to check a laptop before you pay if it's original or a refurbished. And doing so is very simple. On your keyboard, type in Windows plus R to bring this run bus. Now inside this run bus, type in ms info 32, then hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, then take a look at what is called system SKU here. Now under system SKU, take a look at the hash figure or hashtag here. If letter R is before the hashtag, that tells you that that particular laptop is a refurbished laptop. And in case your own laptop does not have the hashtag, it is a good laptop. My own now is a good laptop because letter R is not before the hashtag. Any letter can come before the hashtag except R, and any letter can come after the hashtag, either R or that, but make sure that the letter that come before the hashtag is not a letter R. If letter R is come before the hashtag, that tells you your laptop you want to buy or the laptop you are using is a refurbished laptop. That's all, guys, on how to check if a laptop is original or not. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.